Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use augmented reality and 3D models in your Shopify store. Adding 3D models allows customers to view products from every angle and even visualize them in their own space using AR. Let's go through the steps to add this powerful feature to your store. From your Shopify dashboard, to add augmented reality or 3D models, we just need to click on Products. Then we simply click Add Products. Make sure you already have a GLB file ready. We have a GLB file here. As you can see, when we go to Properties, it is set to GLB type. This is a 3D file that works as a 3D model. Now just click Upload New and select the GLB file. Once the upload is done, you will notice that it is not supported on a trial account. So make sure you have a paid plan. You will see a note here that says it is only available on select plans. If you have the right plan, you can go ahead and upload your 3D model. Once uploaded, just enter a title, description, and price. When you are done, just add the product and click Save. Once finished, you will have a 3D or augmented reality model live in your Shopify store. That's how we add augmented reality and 3D models to your store. This feature makes your product pages more interactive and helps customers make better buying decisions.